This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quesadillas better. To start, always prioritize fresh, high-quality ingredients for a truly superior flavor profile. Selecting the right tortilla size is crucial. Aim for 8 to 10 inches for a good balance. For the cheese, choose varieties known for their excellent melting properties, such as Oaxaca or Monterey Jack, ensuring a creamy, delicious interior. These foundational choices set the stage for an outstanding quesadilla experience. Next, focus on your filling. Any meat or vegetables should be pre-cooked thoroughly before you assemble your quesadilla, ensuring everything is heated through evenly. For the best texture and melt, always shred your own cheese instead of buying pre-shredded varieties. Remember, do not overfill the tortilla. A thinner layer of filling allows for better melting and a crispier result, proving that less is often more. Now, let's talk cooking. Use medium heat on your pan to prevent burning the tortilla while still allowing the cheese to melt completely and the filling to warm through. Cook your quesadilla in a lightly oiled pan until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and a satisfying crispness. Flip it just once, cooking each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring a perfectly cooked and delicious result every time. Finally, cut your perfectly cooked quesadillas into neat wedges, making them easy to serve and share with friends and family. Enhance the experience by offering fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or cool sour cream on the side, allowing everyone to customize their bite. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh scent. For that product and other great deals, make sure to check the description below this video. Enjoy your delicious, homemade quesadillas, crafted with these simple tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.